Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this new release. Haylou Watch 4S smartwatch. And guys, what really caught my attention about this smartwatch, which I'm actually wearing on my wrist right now, is that it has a very beautiful active matrix organic light emitting diode display with great brightness and an internal global positioning system sensor. In other words, you can use the watch independently without your smartphone. And its price, man, costing less than $50, offering more than 100 physical activities, always on display on the screen as well. In short, it's a complete smartwatch for you to check your data. I'll also show you everything about the health features during the video, okay? And its price is really awesome. Before we begin, please like the video, it really helps. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and share this with your friend who's low on cash. If you're looking to change your smartwatch or buy a new one that's great value for money, this one here, without a doubt, will suit you very well. Alright, now guys, let's go to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this launch, Haylou Watch 4S. Let's get to the video, let's go. Starting the unboxing, guys, we have a white box with the product image on it and a local varnish applied, right? There's the image of the smartwatch, the Haylou logo, and the model Watch 4S smartwatch. It mentions the global positioning system connection it has, and on one side it also just mentions the global positioning system. And on the other side, power and self is on the back. Main features of the product: 1.43-inch active matrix organic light, emitting diode screen global positioning system sensor, Bluetooth calls, more than 120 physical activities, always on display, and also a voice assistant. Opening the box, we see the smartwatch right away after removing it. Underneath, we have a quick start manual, a charging cable, and a spare strap, which is a strap with the Haylou logo embossed on it, so you have another strap option to swap out. That's really cool. And now guys, with the smartwatch on my wrist, look how well it fits, how good it looks. The strap is very comfortable, okay? And its screen is really bright, okay? It's a really good screen when we swipe from top to bottom. Here we have the settings. Starting with display, when you click on display, brightness, sleep, dial mode to change the menu style you want, whether you want bubble, rotary style, crown, and so on. You can pick whichever option suits you. I'll leave this one here since it's really nice. Let's go back here now. We also have your card here so you can add an e-card in the app, your business card so you can show it. Here we have the flashlight, so you can also see the screen usage. Okay, let's go back here as well. The do not disturb mode is also here for you to activate. And that's it. And down here we have the connection, showing that it's connected, and the battery percentage. All right? On the home screen, press and hold here. You can also change your watch faces very easily. You can even customize them. Put the photo of yourself, okay? There are some really cool, really nice options here, but through the app you have other functions, other watch faces too, other options. Okay, swiping up from the bottom, you have your WhatsApp notifications, so you can read everything here too. Let's clear it. Email notification, WhatsApp, whatever you want, it notifies you here as well. Swiping here, look, new message. See, let's go back here, clear it. Swiping here from right to left. Summary of today's activity. Here's the sleep from last night, the most recent night. The previous night, I didn't wear the watch, but I'll show you after one night how it will show up here. Here's the heart rate measurement, okay? It's measuring now. Your blood pressure is also without data. It's gonna measure it. Blood oxygenation. Here, the temperature, which is really cool, also gives you a forecast for the whole week, okay? That's really awesome. And here we go back to the home screen. When we go from left to right here, it opens a little screen here with the last apps you accessed. When you click the top button, it opens the menu. Here, you select which app you want to open, okay? It has a lot of app options here. There's a stopwatch, alarm, do not disturb, music, menstrual period, phone call, heart rate, and last night's sleep. Camera mode, so you can take pictures directly from your smartphone. Down here, there's a flashlight and physical activities. I'll show them to you one by one, okay? All the activities. Here, this little clock takes you back to the home screen. We come back here again by clicking on the menu. Done. Here is the summary of completed activities. Here are the messages, notifications, and calculator. Here you also have the summary of completed activities and the activity report. Blood oxygenation, weather forecast, find the smartphone. Here are the settings. The green button controls relaxation. This remote is for a game. Can you play? There are already 2 games installed. I'll click to play this one, okay? Let's hit play here so you can see it's a little duck that flies here, and you keep clicking there. You have to get past the obstacles without hitting them, see? Let's see if I can do it here. I passed the first one, then you keep going. Anyway, game over. Let's go back here. Besides the games, there's the calendar with your complete schedule here, okay? What do you have scheduled on your calendar that's synced with Google? Here, with these emojis, is your blood pressure. It will also take measurements. On this little planet, here is where you add world time through the app, and here is Save Our Souls. For you to have an emergency contact that hasn't been added, please add them. So by adding it, you'll make an emergency call here. Okay guys, it's really very nice. Down here, you have a shortcut button so you can access it directly. The physical activities, okay? Outdoor running, outdoor walking, cycling, indoor cycling, hiking. Anyway, there are a bunch of them, and you can add others here. You just select the activity, right? The group there, the sport you're going to do, and then within that group, let's say here, cycling. Then you have triathlon. Then let's go back here. Running sport, you have walking. Going back here, indoor sports. Then there are a bunch more options. Here, guys, there are more than 120 physical activities that you can have on your watch at the same time. Here's an example, an indoor run. You control it, okay? It does the countdown and already starts the measurements here, okay? You'll have a report here of everything you do, calories burned, distance. All of this will be stored and it transfers to your smartphone. Then, okay, let's pause here and finish. Hold it down and it will end your physical activity. Alright, and this screen looks really nice, man. Its brightness is really good too. I'm about to show you the image. Me under the sun with this screen. Check this out. You can see everything without any problem at all. The sun is shining directly on the screen and you can see it perfectly fine, alright? Its brightness is really good. It's an active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with truly excellent quality, alright? And a very affordable price, which is the best part of all. Now let's take a look at the app so we can check out all its features as well. Alright guys, this is the Haylou Fan app on the home page. We're already here with the watch connected. I clicked on it. Here you have the battery percentage and the watch faces that are already installed on the watch. Here, when you access the gallery, it will give you other watch face options for you to download and transfer to your watch as well. Here in the watch face gallery, when we access it, you can see, you can edit, customize, that's it. The colors, side options, calories, and display preferences for your screen. From this watch face that we're using here, okay? Really cool. And here are some other options too. Let's go. Coming back here, you have health monitoring. It's already activated here. Look, automatic heart rate and blood pressure monitoring throughout the day is not activated. You can activate it if you wish. All-day blood oxygen monitoring is off. You can activate it too. Here, permission setting A is also already done. I authorized everything, okay? When you go to the settings, you authorize receiving calls and also updating weather information, which can reduce battery life. Once, you have to always leave it running in the background, right? You're going to leave it. You're going to force it to stay on. The app must run in the background for you to use the watch and get all notifications. Here are more tools. We have an alarm clock, weather sync, phone settings, and a sedentary reminder. Reminder to drink water, SOS, world clock. Remember I showed you the world clock earlier. You set here which time you want to display on the clock. From which country, okay? You select it here. Here is also the Save Our Souls. You will set up an emergency contact so you can press there and make a call to that emergency contact. Okay? Once activated, if the side button on the watch is pressed 3 times quickly, it will call an emergency contact. Okay? So that's really good too. This can help you a lot, and there are several other options here as well. Exercise heart rate setting, device configuration, restore factory settings, update. When I set up the watch, it had an update. Now there aren't any more. And here about the device. Going back here, we have physical activities. Here we have the summary of activities already performed, sleep summary. Also, as I told you, I was going to do sleep monitoring, steps, calories, everything showing up here on the home screen, okay? Let's take a look at sleep here. When was the last time I marked this here? It was on the 1st, look. Here it is, from my night's sleep, October 1st, okay? Score, 74. Minutes in total, I slept here. Look, deep sleep, light sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, 8 minutes awake. Sleep duration was 8 hours and 36 minutes, which was normal. Deep sleep percentage was 14%, which was low. It gives you a full report with everything. It's really cool. You can view it daily or weekly. And here we have the activities I did using the watch, okay? Outdoor walk using the global positioning system. Look at the measurement it took here. See, I turned it on and it started recording. I was really here right at this tip and I walked from here, okay? I walked around the block and stopped here before entering the street, and it really matches exactly what I did here. Look, 560 meters, 5 minutes, calories, time spent, average pace, right? The stride was also really nice. It also gives you a report here of your heart rate during the exercise you did. So it's pretty complete, okay? Here, walking indoor space as well, which I did one there, it recorded it. Anyway, really good, man, really cool. This is very complete. Here's the exercise section. You can start an activity here. It also shows my global positioning system location. When I click here, it will ask you to start from the watch, so the watch will use its own global positioning system, okay, to start. Since I'm locked in here, it won't work because I'm inside. But anyway, you select the type of activity you want to do here, and here it will show the global positioning system. See? When everything is green, it's connected, but it won't work here because I'm in the office. And here in My is your profile. You set your goals here, your settings. Also, you can change security account, third-party services, metric or imperial units, here kilos or pounds for you to select as well, okay? And privacy settings. Here, help, feedback, settings, check for updates, and about us. Anyway, guys, the app is pretty complete here, okay? It's worth it, really cool. The smartwatch is also very good with lots of features here for a very special price. Really awesome, man, with global positioning system, over 120 activities, full health monitoring, and sleep tracking. Man, really awesome, very light, very comfortable, and the active matrix organic light emitting diode screen is beautiful too. Very good looking, man, really top. I liked it a lot. Share your thoughts below on the watch, whether you think it's worth it and if you'd buy it. Your feedback matters. Alright, don't forget to leave your like before you go. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it to help us out. Alright, thank you all. We're in this together. God bless. Big hug. See you next time. I'm out.